How many times have you opened a Forex app, right? You watch the candles move fast and thought, if I just enter now, I could make money in minutes. And how many times did that same excitement turn into regret? Now, like blown accounts, no stop loss. Now you forgot to put stop loss because this is basically for beginners, right? And at the same time, you overtraded. Fear, greed, and revenge trade. I want you to listen to me carefully, right? Forex trading is no longer about guessing or gambling. It's about discipline, structure, psychology, and skill. The difference between amateurs and professionals is not luck, it's process. And today I'm going to walk you step by step from absolute beginner right to professional mindset trader. If you follow this blueprint seriously, you won't just trade, you will trade like a business owner. I want to invite you to my Telegram community, and if you want one-on-one mentorship, just click the link at the description, james-gides.com. Just get a mentorship program, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna walk you through everything that you need to know. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Now, for that being said, let's jump right into it. Understand what Forex really is, because a lot of traders don't know what Forex really is. They just believe that it's all about candlestick. Before you even think about profit, understand the battlefield. Forex means foreign exchange market, right? It's the global market where currencies are traded like Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Now, you are not buying money, right? You are speculating on currency value movement. Forex is more competitive than ever, like AI bots, algorithm, institution, they dominate the market. So what does that mean for you? It means you must stop thinking like a gambler and start thinking like a strategist. Understand what is PEEP, what is a lot size, what is leverage, and what is spread. What moves the market? I want understood. Professional traders respect fundamentals, beginners ignore them. And don't skip this stage. Right, don't go anywhere. Now, number two, fix your mindset before you fix your strategy. Most beginners think, if I find the right strategy, I will be rich. And that is a completely wrong mindset. I'm understood. Now, the biggest enemy in Forex is not the market. It is your emotion, like fear of missing out. Right? Fear of missing out. Then we talk about greed. Then we talk about overconfidence. Then when market is going against you or you are in loss, you revenge trading. And professional traders think differently. Now, losses are business expensive, and patience is profit. Risk management is survival. Your psychology is your real capital. If you can't control your emotions, the market will control your money. You can't drag that with the market, so your emotion must be controlled. Number three, learn one strategy, not 10. Now, stop jumping from one strategy to another strategy. Now, like support and resistance, breakout, trend trading, scalping, smart money concepts. All you just need right here is just to choose one and master it. Professionals don't trade everything, they specialize. For beginners, right, I recommend starting with market structure, support, and resistance. That is what I started with. Complicated strategy confuse beginners. All you just need right here is to master simplicity, and that takes us to number 4, understand risk management. A lot of beginner traders don't know what risk management is. Let me say this clearly. Risk management is more important than strategy. Professional traders risk 1% per trade. Sometimes they risk 0.5% per trade. While beginners risk 10%, 20%, sometimes they risk 50%, right? Sometimes they risk the entire account. If you want to go from beginner to pro, all you just need to do right here is to use stop loss, risk small, protect capital. Your first goal is not to make money. Your first goal is to survive and stay long in the market. That is what you need. Open a demon account. Number 5. Now, before using real money, right? Practice entry timing, stop loss placements, right? Stop loss placements and trade management. And another one that is very important is patience. All I want you to do right here is to treat that demon account like a real money. Once you start treating that demon account like real money, you begin to build your emotion toward real account. Now, beginners play around with demon because it's not real, right? That's why when real money comes in, right, they panic, right? Discipline starts in practice. Number 6, move to small capital. Respect the process. So after 2 to 3 consistent demo months. Why small? Because real money trigger real emotions, and this is where your real trading begins. Don't aim to double your account. Aim to follow your rules, your plan, and stick to risk management. Avoid over trading. Consistency equals to big wins. So number 7, create a trading plan. Now this is very, very important because professional traders has defined strategy. Now they also have a defined entry rules. Understood? They also have defined exit rules. Professional traders also have risk percentage, defined trading hours, and defined pairs. Now if you wake up and randomly open trade, you are gambling, and that is not part of you. And your trading plans should answer these questions. When do I trade? Right? Why am I entering? So where is my stop loss going to be? All right, so and where is my take profit? And what is my risk reward ratio? No plan, no professionalism. You are gambling and you will soon blow the account, right? Smash the like button if you are finding value in the video. Number 8, start journaling every trade, and this is what separates amateurs from pros. After every trade, write down why you entered the trade. What happened when you took the trade? What you felt? Understood? And what you learned. After you've taken like 50 trades, you'll possibly notice a very clean, amazing patterns, right? And you will discover your mistakes, your strengths. Understood? And your emotional triggers. Because self-awareness creates improvement. 9, focus on high probability pairs. Liquidity matters. Popular pairs which you need to focus on as a beginner. Focus on Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. And I will not advise you to trade gold for now as a beginner because gold is very, very volatile. These pairs have better movement and tighter spread. Avoid exotic pairs. I will come to that later when we'll be talking about currency pairs. Number 10, understand economic news. Forex is affected by interest rate decision, inflation data. And another one is employment reports. For example, we talk about Federal Reserve announcements, NFP, which is the non-farm payroll. News create volatility, and professional traders either trade the volatility carefully or avoid it completely. They never ignore it. Number 11, build patience. The secret weapon is the market doesn't move every minute for you. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Understood? So beginners feel they must trade daily. Professionals wait for setups. And I want you to remember this, right? You don't get paid for trading often. You get paid for trading correctly. Number 12, avoid the get quick rich trap. Social media shows fake profits, rented cars, fake lifestyle, over leverage wins. But let me tell you something, real professional traders focus on 3 to 8 month monthly consistency. Understood? And another one, they focus on capital preservation. Another one, long-term growth. Understood? Compounding small profits builds wealth. One big win does not make you a professional trader, while consistency does. Number 13, consider pro firms. Very, very important. Once you are consistent, you can try pro firm challenges. Pro firms give you large capital, profit splits, risk rules. Only attempt this when you are disciplined. Otherwise, you will just lose challenge fees over and over again. 14, build a routine like a professional. Wake up analyze charts, mark levels, wait patiently, execute only validated setups. Understood? So trading is not excitement, it is controlled execution. Treat it like a job. Number 15. Now, develop emotional control. When you win, you need to stay calm. When you lose, to stay calm. Emotional spikes destroy consistency. Now, professional traders are emotionally neutral, and that is maturity. Number 16. Scale slowly. Once consistent, right? Increase lot size gradually and never jump from 0.01 lot to 1 lot. You know why? That is how I count that. Like from 0.01 lot to possibly you can grow gradually to 0.05 lots or to 0.10 lots. And that will make you a profitable trader with time. Becoming a professional trader, right, it's not a 3-month journey. It takes time. Sometimes it can take a year to understand. Sometimes it can eventually take like 2 years to stabilize, right? I want you to accept the timeline. The moment you accept the process, pressures automatically reduce. Really want to become a professional forex trader? Remember this: it's not about copying signal, but really it's about discipline, risk management, right? Psychology, consistency, patience. Forex can change your financial life only if you respect it as a business. Market rewards the disciplined, it destroyed the emotional. I want you to ask yourself something, right? Are you ready to trade like a professional or gamble like a beginner? Now, if you find value in the video, right, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss amazing videos like this from me. So I'm here to teach you how to be successful in the forex market. If you want to join my mentorship program, the link is at the description. As I said earlier, james-gides.com, and join my Telegram community. I just created a new one, so people are still coming in, so you can also go right there and have your seat right there.